Just out in Olds, Alberta, picking some stuff up. Work trip out to Red Deer this week, and I just always went through Olds. What's going on here? So rude, eh? Loud sirens, you can't talk, make videos. So this tank, I've never had time to stop and actually take a video of it, so I'm just going to take a quick video. It's pretty cool. Take a look at the top. I actually know the guy that had to sandblast this thing to paint it when they were doing the restoration on it. He was from Olds here and ended up living in the same town that I grew up in. But anyways, pretty cool. Finally got time to just stop and grab a few pictures and some video. Apparently this is a later model Sherman, and it's got this turret extension on the back. I'm not too sure exactly what the reason was for that. I'm not really up on the war stuff, the military stuff. But anyways, that's kind of neat because I like the yarder, the log yarders and stuff that were built on these old chassis and that, so it's kind of neat to see what the undercarriage looked like when it was actually on the military vehicle. You can see a lot of similarities there, the hull and things like that. I think that some of that was used on the old Medill and Washington yarders and stuff. Anyway, if you could look at it, just look underneath. Skid pan. Imagine this one would probably have a Detroit or a couple of 671s in it, but I'm not too sure. I don't think there's anything in it now, but when it was in operation. Anyway, that's what one of the things that the town of Olds is known for, is this tank on display there.